Hey guys, in today's video, you'll learn how to connect a local AI model using Olama with OpenCode to create a fully self-hosted AI development environment right on your machine. Before we begin, make sure you already have OpenCode installed on your system. I have already created a separate video on setting up the OpenCode desktop app for planning and building projects, or you can also use the CLI version for automated server setup. You will find both links in the description below. Now let's start with the setup. First we need to install Olama. Open your browser and go to the official website, that is olama.com. From there select your platform. I will go with Windows and click on download. Once the download starts, wait for the installer to finish. After downloading, open the .exe file. This will launch the Olama installation interface. Click on install and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, Olama will open and you will see its interface with different models available for download. You can also verify the installation from the terminal by typing Olama. Now let's install a model. Go to the model section and search for Queen 3.5. You will see that it supports tools like OpenCode, which is exactly what we need. We are going to start by testing everything in the OpenCode CLI first. Then we will move over to the desktop app to see it in action. I would recommend installing the latest Queen models or high-spec engines to handle complex reasoning. But for this demo, we are going to focus on a lightweight task that the OpenCode CLI can handle effortlessly. So we can install Queen 3.5 0.8b, which is of the lighter weight. In your terminal, run Olama pull Queen 3.5 0.8b. Wait for the download to complete. And finally we have success. Let's create a new folder named JavaScript. Then we will simply navigate to that empty folder. Now to connect it with OpenCode, run Olama launch OpenCode model Queen 3.50.8b. If it asks to modify the existing OpenCode configuration, just confirm with yes. Once that's done, OpenCode will launch and you should see that the active model is now Queen 3.5. That means the setup is successful. Now you can start using it. Try asking a simple programming question in build mode. For example, create a file named index.js on my system. And write a basic Node.js hello world function inside it. Notice how I specifically told it to create a file on my system. Because we bypass plan mode and we are using the super lightweight model 0.8b model for this demo, we have to give it a very strict action oriented prompts. This forces the CLI to actually use its system tools and save the file to our hard drive instead of just printing the code as text in the terminal. Now you'll see it processes your request and returns a working hello world function in our index.js file, just like cloud models, but everything is running locally on your machine. If I run node index.js, you can see we have the hello world message in the output. You can also use this in OpenCode desktop app. Now for the desktop app, let's not use the lightest 0.8b model. We are going to step it up to a smarter engine and use Queen 3.59b. Open up your terminal and run Olama pull Queen 3.59b. The pull command will start running. So let's just wait a moment for it to load. And finally we have success. If we type Olama list, we can see our new 9b model sitting right there on our machine. We are good to go. Next, open the OpenCode desktop app. From here you can open up a project. So let's create a new folder. Go to your settings and click on the provider section. If we scroll down, we will see the custom provider option. Just click connect. Now we just have to fill in our local connection details. For the provider ID, we can just name it local. The base URL will be http://127.0.0.1 11434/b1. That 127 address simply tells OpenCode to talk to our own computer instead of searching the internet. Because everything is running locally, we can leave the API key entirely blank. For the model ID, type exactly Queen 3.59v. And for the display name, you can name it anything you want. It's just what shows up in your menu. Once that is filled out, click submit and there is our connected message. And if we go to settings and click on providers, you can see we have our local connected in the connected providers section. And now for the models, we need to select our recently added Queen 3.59b model. Now let's give it a prompt. We will ask it to set up a simple Node.js server using Express that listens on port 3000 and returns a response on the root route. Once we send that, it goes into the thinking mode. You can actually see the write operations happening in real time. It is generating the full working setup entirely on our local system with zero external API calls. Let's verify the code in the Files tab. Finally, we can see the server is running. Here is our server.js file, which prints the server running message to the console and returns our hello world message on the root route. It also perfectly generated our package.json file. If we open our browser and type in localhost 3000, there is our hello world response. And that's it for this video. We successfully set up a local AI coding assistant using Olama and OpenCode, and now you can run powerful models directly on your machine without relying on external APIs. Thank you guys for watching this video.